BIMD-Audit interface allows the BTS staff to explore the retrospective blood product transactional data to identify transaction sequence patterns that lead to discards. Here, we present the lifecycle pattern sunburst diagram, which highlights the frequency of different transition patterns. The rings starting from standard represent the progression of the transition steps. The final transaction state is either transfused or discarded. The sweep angle of each segment shows the frequency of occurrence of the corresponding state, whereby in each level of the hierarchy the states are sorted in descending order clockwise based on the transaction state's frequency. The other modules on the screen are updated upon the interaction with the sunburst. This module shows the statistical detail about the highlighted subsequence. This one shows the corresponding sequence breadcrumb, and this line chart shows time duration for each transition step in a cumulative format and compares the trend with the average expiry time. In operation, the BIMD-Audit is used to answer auditing questions. For example, which sequence patterns lead to discard more frequently? The sunburst that is being shown right now is the result of filtering out uncommon patterns, which are the patterns with frequencies less than 0.05%. As you see, 160 units were discarded right after going through received, unconfirmed, confirmed, available, cross-matched, available. The line chart confirms that there were no significant delays in processing these units compared to their average expiry time. Considering that the units were discarded after being cross-matched for once, it can be inferred that there was a potential inefficiency in the collection and the screening process. As another example, to investigate the rare discard patterns in order to identify operational inefficiencies, we filter out the sequence patterns with frequency greater than 5% and those units that were transfused successfully. Here's a unit that had a quite long transition sequence, yet was wasted due to a reason other than expiry, as the line chart shows.